We begin this morning with a wildfire in Clark County, and we're talking about the Nakia Fire. It's about 70 acres at this point, and it's burning on the southwest side of Larch Mountain, north of Washougal. So far, no evacuations to speak of at this point, but Washington officials tell us they plan to assign air resources to the fire a little later this morning. But a lot of people have called in or sent in pictures from different parts of the county so we can get a little bit of a different view. But we have also seen a number of people posting on social media. So let's take a few peeks at what people have been posting. This is from Max. You can see in the night just some flames here on the side of the mountain there. We were up at Jones Creek parking lot about an hour ago. Very unfortunate situation. That one is from Danielle tweeting that out. And here's another shot from Brad Richardson. Again, flames and a lot of smoke being thrown up by that Nakia fire. Here, Matt LeGrand, there's a fire going on up on Larch Mountain in southern Washington, Nakia Creek Fire, another one of all the smoke, all the flames. If you have any photos yourself, you can give us a call, 503-226-5088, or actually text your photos or videos to that number, 503-226-5088.